Are you looking for a sharp, stylish, and low maintenance look that works beautifully with grey and silver hair? This one is for you. Welcome to the channel. Today we're exploring short haircuts for older black men over 40, focusing on salt and pepper and silver hairstyles that exude confidence, sophistication, and timeless style. Short haircuts for men with grey or silver hair are more than practical. They highlight natural texture and bring out the elegance of mature hair. The salt and pepper look blends grey, silver, and black strands in a way that creates depth and dimension, giving a distinguished and polished appearance. For men over 40, classic fade cuts, tapered sides, and textured tops are perfect. A low or mid fade keeps the sides neat while leaving a little strength on top, allows for subtle styling such as a slight wave, textured crop, or side part. This combination not only looks sharp but is also easy to maintain. Another styling option is the crew cut with silver highlights, which enhances the salt and pepper effect and frames the face naturally. Adding texture to the top gives movement and prevents the hair from looking flat. Care for grey or silver hair is just as important as the cut itself. Use moisturizing shampoos, conditioners, and styling creams to maintain shine and softness. Regular trims every 3 to 4 weeks keep the shape clean and prevent split ends. The best thing about these styles is their versatility and effortless sophistication. Whether for work, social events, or casual outings, short salt and pepper hairstyles project confidence, elegance, and maturity. As you watch, take note of the cuts, fade heights, and textures that complement your hair pattern and face shape. Show your barber the style that speaks to you for a perfectly tailored results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more men's hairstyle inspiration, grooming tips, and timeless trends. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.